Just had a nasty, nasty, nasty storm here. So let's check out some of these enclosures. There are Judy reds. Everything's flooding out. But it's dry towards the back. So there's the house and towards the back. These are some of our yearlings. And the yearling goths were loving this. And so were the three toads. There's a couple of the deserts back there. Yearling. These guys are just digging this weather. But we just want to keep an eye just to make sure they are able to. Oh man! Let's see over here. There's Albus up there. What's going on with that? There's speck eyes in here, and this is Lester. It's all flooded out. Our leopard tortoise. It seems like the rain's slowly. Look at that. Yikes. Hermans dig this. That's all flooded, but they'll be fine. They will be fine. Look at them all out. Hopefully it stops it. Boy, that was nasty. Look at that back there. We'll keep an eye on mountains like this. It's big ragu. They're flooding out too. And the Russians don't like this at all. Let's come over here. Let's see the ornates. The deserts. Yeah, it's all flooded. The ornates. Hey, buddy. These guys are still looking for food. Big Bertha's eating. Little Kim. Oh, let's see. Let's take a walk. Sammy, I can't believe you're out here. I can't believe you're out here. I can't believe you're out here, buddy. Let's see what's happening with the tree. Oh man, there's a puddle. Let's see. Wow, that's flooded out. Man, lucky we dug those eggs up. What's up, babe? 3 toads are flooded out big time. And here, and the man eyes. Wow, look at this. Well, I might as well walk through it. My feet are already wet. You guys digging this stuff? Look at that. What's up, guys? This is awesome for you, huh? Man, look at this. Look at this whole enclosure flooded out. Holy mackerel. Jeez. That is crazy. Man, the docks are totally flooded out.
Really?
It's all water. These are dark phase. This isn't too bad over here. Yeah, they're out. And this shouldn't be too bad either, our elongated. Not too bad. Wow, this is something we just set up today and it filled up a lot. We just got peat moss floating, waiting for it to sink. We're gonna move our snake necks in there. Sammy hates the rain. I have no idea why he's out here. What's that, babe? He's drinking puddles. Yeah, this is crazy. And this is the most I've ever seen it flood, and it was pretty quick how it happened. All right, guys. That's the yard. We're keeping an eye on everything. Stay dry.